Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to paint a seascape with some reflection. This painting is more on the dark side and I used colors like Dioxazine Violet and Prussian Blue. I'm going to link all the materials I used in my description. If you guys have any questions about this painting, then just comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer. I hope you guys like this video, and just before I get into it, I'd like to talk to you guys about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators. On Skillshare, you can find many classes basically on any kind of topic. It can be something like fine arts, cooking, graphic design, business, and much more. You can find more than 25,000 classes on Skillshare. Now, after exploring this platform for a while, the thing that I like most about Skillshare is the way all of the classes are made. Each class is broken down in little lessons, and this makes it easier for you to absorb information and really understand what the teacher is trying to say and demonstrate. Skillshare is also super affordable. An annual subscription will cost you less than $10 a month. If you aren't ready to pay for the membership, you can get the premium access by using the link in the description to get a free trial of 2 months. I think this is a really good way to sort of like explore the platform and see what kind of classes are available there and how, like, what is the format, the layout of the classes. I recommend you guys to check out Skillshare if you are looking to like overall learn more about watercolor painting and improving your skills. There are many watercolor classes out there that I've seen, and I'm sure you guys will like them as well. It's always a good idea to explore a platform like this. So if you guys are interested, click the link in the description and join more than 7 million creators learning with Skillshare. So here I started off by adding some water on my paper. Then I took my Dioxazine Violet from LUKAS Aquarell and my Prussian Blue from AhmadArt, and I kind of mixed both of those colors to get sort of like this really cool sort of violet. So I made some diagonal strokes, and then at the bottom left I also added some quinacridone magenta. I'm gonna keep the sky more lighter because afterwards when I'm gonna add trees, they're gonna kind of cover the sky and they're gonna be darker. So if my sky is already dark, the trees won't really pop out. So now for this part, I'm going to take my quinacridone magenta and I'm going to dilute it with water so that it becomes like a very light pink, and I'm just going to make like a strip of pink right at the bottom of the sky. So after adding water at this bottom part here, you're going to kind of want to work a little bit fast, but obviously at the same time, try not to rush. I'm going to start off by adding some quinacridone, and then I'm going to add my purple and blues. Overall, try to have a light area in the center by using your quinacridone magenta, and then around that you can have some blues and some purples going on, and specifically on the edges of the paper and then the bottom of the paper, try to have some really intense dark colors because those are basically going to sort of represent the reflection of the trees.